In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a north arrow in Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to place the symbol on your sheet, and how to size and position it so it looks professional and consistent with your plan set. Start by opening your Civil 3D drawing and moving to a layout, also known as paper space. You'll find the layout tabs at the bottom of the screen. So if you see a model tab with your full design, that's model space. Switch to a layout tab instead. Layouts are where you compose the sheet that will be printed with title blocks, viewports, and annotations that are scaled for the paper. Because a north arrow is a sheet annotation, it belongs here in paper space, not in model space. Next, head to the Annotate tab on the ribbon. In the Symbols panel, you'll see an option for North Arrow. This is where Civil 3D stores predefined north arrow symbols that align with typical drafting standards. Using the Annotate tab keeps your workflow consistent because everything there is intended for clear, readable sheets. Click North Arrow and then choose a style from the list that appears. You'll likely see several designs, from simple arrows to more graphical symbols. Pick one that matches your company's standards or the look of your title block. If you're unsure, select a clean, minimal style. Clarity is more important than decoration. Remember, the style only affects how the arrow looks, not the geometry of your drawing. Now click in the layout to place the north arrow. Make sure you're clicking on the sheet area, not inside a viewport. A good spot is typically near the legend or title block, where it's easy to find and won't overlap important line work. If your sheet has multiple viewports, place the arrow in a location that's logical for the overall sheet, not tied to any single viewport boundary. Finally, adjust the size and position as needed. Select the north arrow and use the grips to move it into place. Use the scale grip to make it larger or smaller so it reads clearly but doesn't dominate the page. You can rotate it if necessary so that it points to true north relative to your sheet's orientation. Aim for consistency from sheet to sheet. A similar size and a predictable location help reviewers and field crews read your plans quickly. And that's all there is to it. You've inserted a north arrow, chosen the right style, placed it cleanly in paper space, and adjusted it for clarity and consistency.